Hi, this is Luke from Toyota Prado. Today we have a 2014 Toyota Prado, stock number 6862. It's ran from the 8th 2009 to the 5th 2015. It has a 1kd 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1kd 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory maggot tyre. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory maggot tyre. Right rear door 2 dents. Right front door 3 dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory mag flat tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory full scope leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,